Welcome to this guided Anapanasati meditation, a practice rooted in the teachings of Lord Buddha. Anapanasati, or mindfulness of breathing, helps cultivate inner peace and awareness. Find a comfortable place to sit, relax, and let's begin this journey together. Start by sitting in a comfortable position. Keep your back straight, but not stiff. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. Close your eyes softly and bring your attention to your breathing. There's no need to change it, just notice it as it is. Feel the air as it enters your nose, cool and fresh. Notice it as it leaves, warm and soft. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Inhale and exhale. Stay with the rhythm of your breathing. We'll now begin counting our breaths to deepen our focus. Breathe in gently and breathe out. I'll guide you through 50 breaths. Let's start. Inhale deeply. 1. And exhale slowly. 2. Let's continue. One, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, consistency is key. Practice Anapanasati meditation daily to cultivate inner peace and mindfulness. Just a few minutes every day can transform your life. Thank you for joining this Anapanasati meditation practice. Come back anytime you need peace, clarity, or a moment of mindfulness. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more guided meditations.